Hi everyone, I'm Connor McKenna. I'm from this engineering pathway at the Utica Center for Science and Industry, and I've recently completed my capstone project. The main purpose of my project was to recap the skills I learned at CSI in a fun way, and for that I chose an Arduino project due to learning about Arduino throughout our engineering classes, playing the game Tetris, but I also wanted to use the skills I learned in SolidWorks to design a custom case for it. The original idea was to have it be 3D printed, but I found the cost to be exorbitantly expensive, so I decided to make it out of wood instead. I ended up learning a lot more about woodworking than I originally intended for this project. The thing was designed with like half-inch, quarter-inch plywood, with a meant to house the Arduino and the adapter for the Wii Nunchuck controller. I wanted to do a project involving the Wii Nunchuck, and I found that this would be an interesting way to do it because of the relative simplicity of having a Wii Nunchuck attached to an Arduino. So I decided to use that in the project. I also ended up testing some of my visual design skills for painting the box. I decided on a nice black and silver paint thing. I think it turned out pretty good. I'd say the biggest challenges for the project would be the learning curve for the woodworking, what did work and what didn't work compared to my original design, and having to figure out what needed to be changed, such as making square holes in my original 3D printed design circular. So yeah, I feel like I learned about woodworking through this project. How about we check out the project in action? And here it is, my capstone project, fully spray painted. I chose black and silver. I thought those were two nice looking colors to maintain a sleek looking appearance. This is all custom designed. On the inside is an Arduino Mega, which makes up the core of the project, attached to a Wii Nunchuck adapter on the inside. Of course, in this mess of cords, it's hard to tell. It runs off of one 9-volt battery. And the nunchuck is held in place by this spiffy-looking holder. Now, why don't we see it in action? All you need to do is hook up a 9-volt battery. And you can see it working. As you can see, the graphics are fully colorful and working as intended based off of the original Arduino code I used for this project. And I modified it to use a nunchuck. You can move it left and right and use the buttons to move it down, or rotate the blocks, just like any other game of Tetris. Pretty cool, isn't it? I'd like to thank you for watching and for supporting my project.